Nope, it's Nate. And it's a Roy. Our first Roy of the game. Of the day. Here comes that boy Roy. Roy Aloysius Burns III Esquire. Good luck everybody except for that big fat phony Roy. I am Victoria. Fuck yeah. Coming again to see the motherfucking day. Yeah, Victoria. Fuck yeah. Pantsuits are the only way. Yeah, uh-oh. I just spawned near the phone house. That is not good. Hey guys, the phone house is by Birch Ridge. It's by Birch Ridge. Hey guys, the phone house is at Birch Ridge. The phone house is at Birch Ridge. Damn, there's no trap to set down out there. That sucks. Alright, I'm gonna go try to find the fuse, guys. It's usually gonna be a house around right over here, probably. He's coming here, because we're at the phone house. Listen, if you find the fuse, let me know. I know exactly where the phone house is, baby! Map right there if you want it. Map right there. Damn it, no fuse? Damn it, no fuse? Alright, listen, Birch Ridge. The middle house at Birch Ridge. That's the phone house. I'm going to put in the battery. Or at least try. I don't know why this Jenny is fucking shadowing me. All
oh, thank God, it actually fits.
I think so, yeah. I'm by Sand Pond Trail. By that, that's the two-seater up here. But the phone house is right next to the car. Like, not right next, but like the house close to it. Hard to explain. But it's at Birch Ridge. In fact, I think that Jenny might be fixing the phone right now. Oh, my bad. So you are doing that, yeah? Alright, sorry. I went the other way. I didn't know you were... Is he here? Is he on you? Alright guys, listen, he's at the phone right now. Go ahead and try to fix something else. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. The phone is at Birch Ridge, guys. Did you drop the fuse over there? Yeah. Okay, the fuse is where the phone box is, guys. I'm at the other side of the map, guys. Sorry. Hey, listen, I'm gonna get him off you real quick, and then you go fix the thing, okay? Trap. I'm about to go to the shack. So when he comes to me, you fix it, okay? Shit. Never mind, the shack's not where I thought it was. I'll find it eventually. Did he get you? Aw, sorry, man. Shit, the shack is gonna be on the frickin' island, dude. Damn it.
Is that a person?
Listen, if he comes to me, guys, y'all just do your best. He's on me, guys. He's on me.
You need to get every motherfucking cop out in Crystal Lake. Jason is here. Did you hear me?
Son of a bitch. Oh, there was a much better kill right there, dude. You should have ventilated me. That's so bummy. That was a bummy kill. You should have ventilated me, bro. GG's. I don't know what these guys were doing while we were all trying to fix the phone. These guys were just having a pajama party. If I would have had a knife, I would have had a shot at that, guys, but... What sucks is I think the phone is still in working condition and they're all up here farting around. Not trying to get the phone fixed. It is what it is, guys. GG's.
Like that, asshole!
No!
I like using the fire axe with Roy. It's a good look with him.
You want some more? Oh, God. No!
Damn, RIP Vanessa.
Help! Oh God! Ah! Go!
Oh, that's our issue. We got a slider, huh?
No!
Please, no!
Ah!
Okay, all set. Time to get out of here.
Did she get in that car legitimately, or I stepped out for a second? Yeah.
Oh!
I don't know if I'd be worrying about the lights at this point, but hey, to each his own.
No! Oh.
Wow. Yeah, I died trying to fix the phone. Oh, shoot, he got him. Hey, GG's, y'all. GG's. GG's, GG's.